Hello students, this is the third part of chapter 8, How do organisms reproduce? In this class, you are going to learn the changes that can be seen in boys and girls at puberty, male reproductive system and its components, female reproductive system and its components. Let us continue. Reproduction in human beings. Human beings reproduce by sexual method. Sexual reproduction is the fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote. The zygote develops into an embryo and a new individual is formed. We know that growth is one of the characteristics of living beings. Growth means increase in the number of cells. As a result, our weight, height, and size of the body increases. This is called the general process of growth. But in early teenage years, a new set of changes occur. Some of these changes are common to both boys and girls. The common changes seen in both boys and girls are: the skin becomes oily and begin to develop pimples. Thinner hair on legs, hands and on face. Thick hair growing in new parts of the body such as armpits and the genital area between the thighs. These are the common changes seen in both boys and girls. In addition to these changes, there are some other changes that are different between boys and girls. Changes occur only in boys. Boys begin to have new thick hair growth on the face, appearance of beard and mustache. Their voices begin to crack. Change in voice. Production of sperms. The penis occasionally begins to become enlarged and erect, either in daydreams or at night. Changes seen in girls. Breast size begins to increase with darkening of the skin of the nipples at the tip of the breasts. Beginning of menstrual cycle. These changes do not happen all at the same time in one person, nor do they happen at an exact age. For example, thick hair on the face in boys appears as a few scattered hairs first, and only slowly does the growth begin to become uniform. All of these changes take place slowly over a period of months and years. These changes are aspects of the sexual maturation of the body. At this stage, the rate of general body growth begins to slow down. Reproductive tissues begin to mature. This period during adolescence is called puberty. The period of sexual maturation of the body is called puberty. How do the changes that occur during puberty are linked to the reproductive process? We know that sexual reproduction is the fusion of male and female gametes to form a zygote. The zygote develops into an embryo and a new individual is formed. Sexual mode of reproduction means that germ cells from two individuals have to join together. This can happen by the external release of germ cells from the bodies of individuals, or it can happen by two individuals joining their bodies together for internal transfer of germ cells for fusion. So, for the internal transfer of germ cells for fusion, there is a need for reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Look at the parts or components of male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, and penis. Let us see the function of each part. Testes. They are located outside the body in a sac-like structure called scrotum. Testes produce sperms. Sperm formation requires a lower temperature than the normal body temperature. The normal body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. If the temperature is more, sperms will not be produced or they will die in the more temperature. So, the testes are located outside the body in a sac-like structure called scrotum. Look at the structure of a sperm. Sperms are small in size. It is made up of three parts: head, midpiece and tail. Head part contains hereditary unit from father. What is the function of tail? Tail helps to move towards the female gamete for fertilization. Testes produce male hormone testosterone. Testosterone is controlled by the pituitary gland situated at the base of the brain. This hormone testosterone is responsible for the appearance of masculine characters in males, such as growth of hair in the body, strong muscles, strong voice, production of sperms. Vas deferens. It transports sperms produced by the testes to the seminal vesicles. Prostate gland. It provides nutrients to the sperms. Seminal vesicles. It stores the sperms. The secretions from the prostate gland and the seminal vesicles provide a liquid medium for the sperms. This liquid medium makes their transport easier. The vas deferens unites with a tube coming from the urinary bladder. So, urethra is a common passage for sperms and urine. What is the function of penis? It transfers the male gametes to the female body during sexual intercourse. Female reproductive system. The components of female reproductive system are a pair of ovaries, fallopian tube or oviduct, uterus, vagina and cervix. What is the function of ovaries? When a girl is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of mature eggs. On reaching puberty, some of these start maturing. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. So, the function of ovaries is to produce eggs. Ovaries produce hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Pituitary gland stimulates ovaries to produce hormones, estrogen and progesterone. What is the function of estrogen? Estrogen is responsible for body hair growth, widening of hips, development of breasts. It controls menstrual cycle in the body. Estrogen is responsible for the appearance of feminine characters in females after puberty. What is the function of progesterone? Progesterone stimulates the changes in the uterus during menstrual cycle and pregnancy. Students, note the function of estrogen and progesterone. What is the function of oviduct or fallopian tube? The egg is carried from the ovary to the womb through a thin oviduct or fallopian tube. Uterus. The two oviducts or fallopian tubes unite into an elastic bag-like structure known as the uterus. It contains sufficient blood for the development of an embryo. The development of an embryo into a fetus takes place in the uterus. Cervix. Uterus opens into the vagina through cervix. What is the function of vagina? Vagina is a route for sexual intercourse. It is a path for childbirth and it is a route for the flow of menstrual blood. Write the functions of vagina. What is the function of ovaries? Ovaries produce eggs or ova. Ova are the female gametes or female germ cells. Name the components of male reproductive system and write the functions. Name the components of female reproductive system and write their functions. Students, answer these questions in your notebook. Read the lesson, page number 45, 46, 47 and 48. Thank you.